guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Chanel for you. I know I'm going a little crazy on Chanel lately. What can I say? The latest few collections from Chanel have been incredible. Do you guys agree? I feel like, I don't know, everything is younger and more fun, more wearable, more casual, more sporty. I feel like Chanel has always been really heavy with all of the tweeds and not a lot of like casual looks for us to pick from, but the latest collections, like the shoes are amazing, the clothes are amazing. It's kind of hard to stay away from it right now. So I hope you guys are feeling my new hairdo for today. I actually realized I have never filmed a video with my hair up before. So today I decided to be a little more sleek. I have a couple of Chanel pieces for you today, and I actually have some ready to wear as well. Not luxury ready to wear, more mid-range, but I like to give you guys ideas and I like to show you what kind of clothes I am buying, because I feel like, hey, mid-range or high street are way more affordable for you, so I want everybody to walk out of my videos with great ideas of things to buy. So it's not only about luxury, it's about everything. If you are new to the channel, I am Erica from Erica's Girly World. My channel is all about fashion and luxury, and I hope you enjoy it enough to subscribe. And for my loyal subscribers, extra special love for you for being here. Thank you so much. You guys are the bomb, okay? Let's go ahead and get started with this haul. Let's do a Chanel item first. This item right here is something that has been on my wish list for a while. Since it first came out, I have had my eye on it. What can I say? It is something that I think is a classic that will always be in style, and I think is really chic. So let me open these for you. I actually saw these shoes for the very first time in Los Angeles, in Beverly Hills, and this girl was wearing them and she looked so chic. She was wearing cute little shorts and then a cute little blazer, and she was wearing these shoes, and I was like, oh my gosh. You know when somebody's like understated chic? That was her. From that moment, I fell in love with the shoe, and then on this last collection, they came with my most favorite color combination. I was like, mama here has to get them, okay? Open this baby up, and comes with the little Chanel little booklet with all details for the shoe. And then right here in the dust bag, let me do both of them together. Let's see if I'm gonna manage to do that, right? I got the Chanel slides in black and white, and it actually comes with like a little protective thing right here to protect the back. So let me show you the back. You can see there's this big pearl here that's set with the CC logo. How gorgeous is this, guys? To me, this is classic Chanel. I feel like these shoes elongate your legs and they are so classic. I mean, oh my gosh, this is classic Chanel. Never goes out of style. Look at the front right here. When I bought them, I was a little concerned because this leather, guys, is something I want to mention to you. It's a little softer than the regular Chanel leather. So I don't know if you can tell, but it does have some wrinkles on it. Can you tell right there? It comes like this. I checked several different ones because I was like, is this a problem with this specific one? But no, it is a softer leather, so all of them actually have this, and I was like, you know what, do I care enough? No, I don't care. I think it looks gorgeous. When I put it on my feet, I feel like it makes me look so sophisticated, guys. So let me take the other one as well. Look at that, both of them together. How stunning are they? And then the other thing is they are so comfortable. Oh my gosh, I feel like, you know, they don't have a platform, so that might make you a little nervous, but the heel is not all that high, and then my feet kind of dance inside here. Like there's so much space inside. I can walk on this and walk and walk. I have another pair of Chanel mules that are beige and black that I wear all the time, that I'm like embarrassed, and I just feel like I needed another pair. I already know I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of these. These can be worn super casual during the day. These can be worn at night with a dressier outfit. I mean, you name it. And you guys know I like to buy things that are versatile, that I can get a lot of wear out of, right? I don't like to buy shoes that are like super specific for nighttime or super specific for daytime. If I'm gonna invest this amount of money, I'd rather get something that I can wear with anything. So that is the case for these babies. The price of these babies was $9.95 or $9.75, one of the two, but worth every penny. I know I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of them. And then if you were wondering about size, my regular size was the size that I got on these, and they fit me perfectly. So I hope you guys love my new babies. I know I am very excited. These have been on my wish list for a while. Next item I want to show you, I was just in Miami and there is a store there that is called Pinko. I don't know if you guys know Pinko, but I absolutely love Pinko. Look at this. I feel like their clothes are so well made. Look at this white top. I was looking for an amazing white top that I can wear with anything. Look at the back. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? Now, Pinko is not super cheap. It's more of a mid-range type of a brand. Their clothes cost like $200, $300, $360. It's kind of like their price range. They were having a 25% off sale while I was there. So I typically buy all of my Pinko on sale. So this was originally $265, but I got this with 25% off. The sales at Pinko are amazing. Like, stay in tune with their website. I know last season I got items for 60% off at the store. I'm gonna model this for you so you can take a look at what they look like, but in my opinion, you cannot get enough white tops. Like, I have so many of them because I feel like they match everything. I also got at Pinko while I was there these pants right here. These are cargo pants. I love that you can kind of regulate the waist right here and make the waist tighter if you'd like. But check this out. And then I love the detail on the cargo pants because you can tie the bottom right here. I feel like it looks super cute. When you can make the ankle on the pants tighter, it shows your shoes more. So like if you're wearing killer pumps or like killer boots, you can make this tight on your ankle so you can actually showcase your shoes without the pants kind of falling and covering your ankle. And guys, look at this. You guys know my name is Erica Cargo Pants Girly World, okay? Because I love loose pants, like sporty pants, jogger, cargo, because I feel like it's more of a high fashion kind of a look. You put a tight top with it, even what I'm wearing right now, which is a bodysuit from American Apparel, which, by the way, my favorite bodysuits are always from American Apparel because they make them of stretchy cotton. It looks like better quality, you know what I mean? Like, doesn't look cheap. So if you're looking for awesome bodysuits, go check them out. But you wear this with a killer bodysuit like what I'm wearing right now, and then you put like a killer choker, killer sunglasses, you look like $1 million. You throw this with a leather jacket if it's cold, a blazer, you know, if you look at the more high-end, super high fashion bloggers, they all wear cargo pants. Let me find the price for you. It was $295 and I got it in a size 42. So they are, Pinko is Italian size, so I got size 42, which is kind of like a 6. These pants are now sold out on the website, which is why I went to the store while I was in Miami with the hopes of getting these pants. If you want them, call the Pinko store in Miami and they have it in the store because the website is completely sold out. And then keep in touch with their sales because their stuff is gorgeous. Next, I want to show you a dress that I got from Saks Fifth Avenue that I absolutely fell in love with. This is it. Oh my gosh. This dress is from For Love and Lemons. I love For Love and Lemons with a passion. Their dresses are so beautiful. When I saw this brocade dress, I mean, look at this. Is this $1 million or is this $1 million? And then check this out. It has like, it's open right here in the bust for like a little touch of sexy, and it has like this gold hardware right here. Oh my gosh, how stunning is this? And then the back, look at that. It has like an opening on the back. I am absolutely in love. Now here's the deal about this dress. This dress costs like $300 or something like that, normal price. which I just looked online and they're still selling this dress for like 200 and something. Saks Fifth Avenue was doing a final sale on this dress and I scored it for like $82, and I couldn't believe, because I've been watching this dress since it first came out, because I fell in love right off the bat, and when I saw it for $82, I think it was final sale, so I got it in size medium, which is typically my size for Love and Lemons, but it is a little too big, guys. So what I'm gonna do, since it's final sale, I cannot exchange, so what I'm gonna do is actually just go to a tailor and have it tailor it to me and make it a little tighter on the waist. So I'm not gonna try it on because it is a little loose on me, but look at that, you get the idea, right? With this opening right here, I'm thinking for party night out in Miami. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely perfect. And then look at the other thing I love about it. I got it with the intention of wearing it with my Dior. Look at that. It is a perfect freaking match for my Dior bag. Look at that, because it has like the same tones of pink on the brocade, right? You see that? Perfect match with my Dior. I am so excited about this. And even spending money with a tailor, this is still gonna be way cheaper than buying it full price. So still totally worth it for me. I mean, I just cannot resist a beautiful girly dress. And then don't you feel like $1,000,000 when you find the dress that matches your bags perfectly? Because here's what I used to do. I used to buy black bags, like neutral color bags, and then buy the clothes kind of like randomly, because I was like, the bags match everything. But now that I feel that I'm a bit more advanced with my collection, I cannot have all black, you know, that's kind of boring. So what I do now is actually, I will buy the bags in the exact color I want. I don't even worry about matching. And then I will just buy clothes that match to the bag, you know, and that's how I am building my wardrobe. Before, I used to buy the bag to match the wardrobe, and it should be the opposite, because the bag is really the most expensive thing. So you buy the bag and then you match the wardrobe to the bag. And then the last item, I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for this for weeks. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me trying these babies on, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, baby, what are you waiting for? Because on Instagram, I'm able to post everything right away as soon as it happens. So it doesn't require editing. So when I go on my trips, when I go shopping in stores, I post everything on my stories. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Plus there, guys, like I love interacting with you on Instagram. Like I talk to you, you guys DM me, you give me opinions on things. It's so much more interactive than YouTube. So I love that you guys are here, because YouTube is really truly my first passion, but I feel like Instagram allows me to talk to you more, right? Here it is, and it is another pair of shoes. So, oh my gosh. You guys are gonna see why I'm so in love with this, okay? This is another item that I've been seeing everywhere, that I first saw on the fashion show. From the moment it was on the fashion show, I fell in love with, and then I couldn't buy it right away. I had to wait a little bit to save, and then the stuff started selling out. So when I was finally able to go to the store and pull the trigger, they were all gone. You know, the exact one I actually wanted was gone, and I had to get a plan B, but this is what my plan B is. Are you dying? Because I'm dying. Guys, I wanna cry. Check it out. Oh my gosh, how cute are they, guys? So they are these cute little slides that say Chanel. They actually match my earrings. Check that out. Oh my gosh, just my heart melts just looking at them, because it was really hard to find. The one I actually wanted was the one that was transparent here and says Chanel in black, and that was completely sold out on my size, which is 39.5. Actually, when I went to the store, the sales associate was like, well, I found one in Texas, but it's put aside for an appointment tomorrow. So he said, if she doesn't keep it, then you'll be able to have the transparent one. If she does keep it, I can get you the white one. And I was like, this bitch better not buy the shoes that I want, right? So guess what happened? Of course she bought it. But here's the thing, I feel like things always happen for a reason, right? Because when these came home, my daughter looked at them and she was like, Mom, to be honest, I think it's actually much better that you got the white and black, because white and black is classic and the transparent is more trendy. Transparency is the thing right now in terms of trend. And she's like, when the transparency trend is gone, you can still wear these because they're black and white. And I thought about it and I was like, you know what? Absolutely true. This is way more of a classic than the transparent ones. So I think it worked out to my advantage. So let me show you the detail. I can't wait to wear these babies. Okay, so this is it up front and close. This is the bottom of it. So cute. Look, you can actually see kind of like the metal pin inside of the heel. So cool. Look at that. Look at the detail that I noticed when I was trying them on. You see how on the back it has this cute little thing that sticks up that says Chanel. So it's adorable because like as your foot is in here and your heel is in here, this kind of frames your heel from the back, right? So your heel will be like this. Oh my gosh, what an adorable detail, right? I feel like this is what luxury is all about. It's getting something that is like a notch above, that has all of this detail that makes it so special. And I feel like this detail right here is exactly that. It makes it so special. Oh my gosh. So this, guys, was $9.75 is the price of these slides. They are super, super comfortable. And here's the thing. I am not a huge fan of flats. I don't like flats. Unless it's sneakers, I don't wear flats. I don't like Chanel ballerinas. I don't wear like Hermes orange sandals because I feel like my legs are super skinny and my feet are kind of big. So if I wear something flat, it looks ridiculous. Like my feet look really big. I don't know, it makes me feel not pretty. What can I say? So I have to have something that has at least a little bit of a heel to kind of elevate my legs a little bit so I feel like I don't look like a stick. So these are it, and they are so comfortable. The leather, like I press my hand here, it kind of sinks in. It's delicious. What a cute way to look dressed up but casual at the same time and chic, right? I feel like, I don't know, these shoes, guys, just make my heart sing, is all I can say. Now, here's the deal. If these are on your list and they have several variations of these shoes, transparent with orange, transparent with beige, they have transparent with, instead of saying Chanel, it has the CCs right here in several different colors. If you want them, you gotta jump on them like now. I know some department stores have them, so you have to freaking call your SA and call whoever you know in department stores and get this baby ASAP, because I'm telling you, it's gone. This was my haul for today. I hope you enjoy my goodies. Let me know what you think. I am so excited to have some more Chanel in my life. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to sit here and chat with me and see what I have to show and kind of like share the exciting moments with me. That means so much to me. I feel like I have gone through so much in my life here on YouTube with you guys, and if you are still here, I will be grateful for the rest of my life for your support. So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.